Today, I'll show you how to download results from Surveymonkey. Whether you're analyzing feedback for a project, gathering data for a report, or simply curious about your survey responses, downloading your results will give you the flexibility to view and analyze your data in various formats. Let's dive right in. First, head over to surveymonkey.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up for a SurveyMonkey account to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub where all your surveys are displayed. Next, click on the All Surveys option. This is typically found in the main navigation menu. Clicking this will bring up a list of all the surveys you've created or have access to. This step is crucial as it allows you to select the specific survey you wish to download results from. Once you see the list of surveys, find the survey you're interested in and click on it. This action will open the survey's detailed view. Here, you'll see several options related to managing and analyzing your survey. Now, direct your attention to the Analyze Results button. Clicking this will take you to the results page, where you can view all the responses you've received for your survey. This page is quite comprehensive, providing various metrics and insights into the data you've collected. In the top right corner of this results page, you'll notice an Export button. Click on this button and it will open a drop-down menu with different export options. These options generally include formats like CSV, Excel, or PDF, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs. After clicking Export, you'll want to select New Export. This option initiates the process to download your data. It might prompt you to select specific parameters for your export, such as choosing only certain questions or filtering by date range. Customize these settings according to what you need. At this point, it's important to mention that exporting survey results is a feature that may require an upgraded account. If you haven't upgraded your SurveyMonkey account, you might encounter a prompt encouraging you to do so. Upgrading provides access to more advanced features, including the ability to export your survey data. If exporting is essential for you, consider looking into the different plans SurveyMonkey offers to find the one that fits your requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of downloading your SurveyMonkey results. By following these steps, you can easily access your survey data and utilize it in your preferred format. Having this data at your fingertips can greatly enhance your ability to analyze and present your findings effectively. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.